Hi, to reset 5G network settings on your Nothing CMF Phone 1, firstly open Settings and now scroll down to find System tab. And simply after that scroll a bit more and check these reset options, and from here choose this first one, Reset Mobile Network Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete data on your phone, it will just reset your 5G internet, and this will help to fix problems with 5G. So let's tap it, and now we need to confirm by tapping this reset settings and confirm pattern, PIN code or passcode. And after that you can see also that this section cannot be undone. Tap the button again and now network settings have been reset. So after that let's go back in settings and find network and internet. Here choose your SIMs. Now if you got 2 SIM cards inserted, simply decide on which SIM card you want to enable mobile data, but I got only one, so I enabled to use this SIM card. Now we need to tap on the switch on near mobile data to turn it on like that. Also, if you're planning to leave your country, then tap here to enable roaming, but roaming charges may apply, so I'm gonna disable it for now. After that, don't forget to enable Smart 5G, and also you can enable 5G standalone by tapping on the switchers, and here enable to automatically select network, and this will fix all of your 5G problems. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.